In this video I'm going to be riding at Cannop Cycle Centre. The two trails that I will be riding today are only 1 dots, and the names of them are Countdown and Launchpad. To get to Countdown you will need to go to the very top of the hill, and to get to Launchpad you will only need to go halfway up the hill. Now let's start riding. Countdown starts off with some smaller jumps, and as you progress they get bigger. What you should note about the jumps on Countdown is that they are all rollable and there are no gaps. If you don't have enough speed to jump them, you can always roll them and pump them, so then you get more speed for the next one. Now the jumps are starting to get a bit bigger. As you can see, there are also quite a lot of berms along this trail which add the extra little bit of fun. When you're going along here, you start to go a lot faster and the jumps get a lot bigger. These final bumps are really nice to pump, as you can go a lot quicker on them for the final jump. Now that's the end of Countdown. Let's see what Launchpad is like.
Hi, dropping into Launchpad. Chain came off. Not the best to happen, but never mind. As soon as we dropped in as well, it's annoying.
When I went down here, the berms were really big and swooping. As you can probably see, there are loads of jumps along this trail which make it really fun. When you're going down this trail you get loads and loads of speed because of all of the steep downhills and all of the fun jumps. Down here you can pick up a lot of speed for the very final bit of the trail. And that's the end. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and as always in my map related videos I'll link the map that I use down below, but this time I'll also put it on the screen at the end of this video.